Listen here, we are going to solve the problem number 9 in chapter 6. Here one plano convex lens is given. One end, clear, its focal length is 15 centimeter. One of the plane surface is silvered. Plane surface is silvered. Here the entire combination that behaves as a concave mirror. Okay. The combination of plane mirror and plano convex lens combination that behaves as a concave mirror. Here, since it is behaving as a concave mirror, the entire system, the focal length of the plane mirror surface must be taken as infinity. Understood? The entire system behaves as a concave mirror, don't forget. Now, the entire combination must be taken as concave mirror. 1 by f, entire system is taken as concave mirror now, therefore instead of f there you have to substitute cm, means concave mirror, focal length of the concave mirror, its reciprocation is written. 1 by f is equal to, here when light ray travels for 2 times through the lens, therefore 2 times it must be written. 1 by fl plus, after getting reflection from the plane mirror surface, 1 by fm must be written. Again it gets reflected through the lens, therefore one more time for lens we have to write 1 by fl must be written. 1 by fl must be written. Here focal length of the plane mirror is infinity. 2 times light gets refracted through the lens. One time light gets reflected from the mirror. 1 by fcm. Why 1 by fcm? It behaves as a concave mirror, therefore 1 by fcm is written. Focal length of the plane mirror surface is infinity, therefore 1 by fl plus 1 by infinity plus 1 by fl must be written. 1 by infinity is equal to 0, therefore 1 by fcm must be written, which is equal to 2 1 by fl are there. 1 by infinity value is 0, therefore remaining is 1 by fl plus 1 by fl could be written. That is equal to 2 divided by fl. Now the LHS, RHS can be written separately. I will write it here. 1 by fcm is equal to 2 by fl must be written. FCM means focal length of the concave mirror. We need FCM, focal length of the concave mirror system, to be found out. FCM is equal to FL divided by 2. Focal length of the plano convex lens value is given 15 centimeter. Substitute there. 15 centimeter divided by 2, which is equal to 7.5 centimeter. That is the focal length of the system, that is concave mirror system. This one could be used for further calculations. Okay. Concave mirror focal length is always taken as negative. Don't forget, negative symbol is the must one. Here plano convex lens, that combination that is acting as a concave mirror, its focal length must be taken as negative. Don't forget. Okay. Now the object is placed in front of the concave mirror at a distance of 20 centimeter. Its focal length is how much? Entire system, concave mirror system, is 7.5. Recently we have found out. Object is at a distance of 20 centimeter from the pole. The principal focus that lies at 7.5 centimeter, that is recently measured. Okay. F is taken as negative. U distance also must be taken as negative in terms of Cartesian sign convention. You are asked to calculate the image distance. Understood? Now we have to use the mirror equation. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This is the formula. V is required. Therefore keep V on one side. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U can be written. 1 by V, substitute the values. Minus 7.5 minus 1 by minus 7.5 minus of minus 20 can be written. Okay, 1 by V. Here that 7.5 that can be written as 15 by 2. Therefore 1 divided by minus of 15 by 2 can be written. Minus minus, that one becomes plus. 1 by 20 can be written. So we need the value of F. We need the value of F. Space is not sufficient. We will go to the next page. Substitute 1 by V minus 2 by 15 plus 1 by 20 can be written. I will continue the derivation here. 1 by V is equal to minus L. You can take LCM 300, multiply 15 into 20, 300. Take LCM. 300 divided by 15 is 20 minus 40. Minus 20 into 2 minus 40. 300 divided by 20 is 15. 15 into 1 plus 15. Are you clear? Now 1 by V is equal to minus 25. How much? Minus 25 divided by 300. So V is equal to 300 minus 300 divided by 25, which is equal to 12. V is equal to minus 12 centimeter. This is called as image distance. This is called as image distance. Don't forget, very easy problem.